Kamal Haasan's upcoming film, Indian 2 Inches, has been making waves in the entertainment industry. The fiery design of the title card, featuring a fierce lion surrounded by flames, has captured the attention of fans and critics alike. The bold and powerful imagery perfectly sets the tone for what is expected to be an action-packed and intense film. Kamal Haasan, known for his versatility and dedication to his craft, has once again proven why he is considered one of the greatest actors in Indian cinema. His presence in the title card exudes confidence and strength, hinting at the kind of performance audiences can expect from him in Indian 2. The film, directed by Shankar, is a sequel to the 1996 blockbuster, Indian. The original film, which revolved around corruption and social issues, was a massive success and is still remembered fondly by fans. With Indian 2, Shankar and Kamal Haasan are set to take the story to new heights, exploring even more complex themes and delivering a thrilling cinematic experience. Indian 2 has sparked excitement among fans, who have been eagerly awaiting updates on the film. The striking design, coupled with Kamal Haasan's intense gaze, has left a lasting impression on viewers, raising their expectations for what is to come. As the anticipation for Indian 2 Inches continues to build, fans are eagerly awaiting more updates on the film. With Kamal Haasan at the helm, backed by a talented team of filmmakers and actors, Indian 2 Inches promises to be a cinematic masterpiece that will leave a lasting impact on audiences. The title card for Indian 2 Inches serves as a powerful teaser for what is to come, hinting at the intense and gripping narrative that will unfold on screen. Kamal Haasan's commanding presence in the design sets the tone for the film, promising a performance that will be nothing short of extraordinary. With its fiery imagery and bold design, the title card for Indian 2 Inches has captured the hearts of fans and critics alike. As the film gears up for its release, the excitement surrounding it continues to grow, with audiences eagerly anticipating the cinematic experience that Kamal Haasan and Shankar have in store for them. Indian 2 Inches is said to be a film like no other, a thrilling ride that will keep audiences on the edge of their seats from start to finish. With its powerful title card setting the stage for what is to come, the film promises to be a must-watch for fans of Indian cinema.